prendre une photo? Non, 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 non. Non, non, je suis pas un touriste. Alright guys, so we are currently in Montmartre. So I'm going to do a quick POV video here because it's a little bit of a cool location. So we'll do like a little bit of speed run. This metro station right here is super awesome. Build in quickly. Yeah, so for this one we're just using the 16 to 35. We're not going to use the 85 just because I've done a few videos with them already. But yeah, let's get right into it. But yeah, essentially I'm walking all the way up here. So like I said, it's going to be very hilly. I'm going to be out of breath. But I saw a mirror here. Can we get a cool? No, not really. We'll get a little selfie. Boom. Oh my god, my hair is crazy right now. That little, you know what it is? It looks like an old pub. That's gonna be really cool. Yeah. This is really cool. I just noticed there's a skyline over there of a city. I like that. Give it a little shot too. I might get one of the city too. Merci. Yeah, this would look so cool at night with the lights. Let's see if we can Photoshop them in. I'm not amazing at Photoshop, but I'll see what I can do. So this looks like the spot where everyone gets their portraits taken. You can see sunset starting to set. And it looks like there's a cool little ray over here, so I'm going to quickly try and grab a shot. Look at this. This looks nice. Excusez-moi, ça vous dérange si je prends une photo de vous en tenant la peinture? Ouais. Après, tu peux le tenir comme ça?
Ouais, je peux, allez.
Ouais. Ouais, c'est cool.
Ok, super.
Ouais. Vous avez un email ou quelque chose?
Ouais.
Okay, merci.
Merci à vous.
Okay, so if you guys are wondering how come I'm speaking French pretty well, it's actually because I'm half French and I'm fluent in it, but it's been quite a while since I haven't spoken, so I've got a bit of an English accent now. But yeah, never be afraid to ask people to take photos if you think they look cool, because you can get some pretty cool shots. Might be better swap to the 85 actually, but can't be that bothered to be honest. Still looks pretty cool. But yeah, sun's pretty harsh. Alright guys, so this is Montmartre. Once again, if you have a wide-angled lens, it's gonna do you a few favors. So I'm gonna get low here. Yeah, that looks cool. Yeah, Montmartre is quite a nice place to come to during sunset because you get the whole skyline of the city. You've got this beautiful building right here. It just looks so cool. But yeah, I'm shooting about 16mm right now. Maybe a 12mm would be a little bit better. but it still looks super cool. I literally just turned my head and then I saw the sunset and the Eiffel Tower. I'm gonna try and grab a picture here quickly. I think I'm gonna go back to that spot that I was at earlier actually. That street looks pretty cool. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to wrap up the POV video in Montmartre. Just a little quick one. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy. We're doing a 16-35 for most of it, and then we finished up with the 85mm. And now the sun is setting. It looks super nice. That's what it looks like. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what video you want me to do next. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!